Goku Super Saiyan 100. This is kind of like that Super Saiyan Infinity sort of thing. It's a fan-made thing. So it kind of resembles other ones, but I thought it was kind of cool. It's like filled with hair. So I went landscape page, use pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. It's kind of Super Saiyan 3 face. And then that crazy single spike, kind of like Gohan Beast, but we'll start with the face anyway. So basically no eyebrows, right? So we got that frown. So curves up, over, like that sort of a thing. We do the other one. Yeah, no, I'm right. Thought I made a mistake there. Okay, and then like some textures on the brow area. Then those Dragon Ball eyes, so you just do a short line and then a diagonal longer line. So it goes like more in. That one goes straight down, but it's short. And then you join those together with a curved line. No eyes, just like glowing berserker sort of Dragon Ball eyes. Small line, long line, curved line, like so. And then his nose, so that Dragon Ball kind of hook sort of a thing, so it curves out, kind of right or left of center, comes down and up. And if you want, like, of course, like you could do some like wrinkles on the nose sort of a thing as well. And they always draw in the shadow on the side, like that. And then the cheek marks, just right underneath his cheek and his eye, sorry. And then across this way. Mouth, real close to the nose, sort of just flat. Maybe like downturned on the edges a little bit. And his chin, pretty square. Jaw then comes up the side. You're kind of aiming for the corner of his eye, right? So for our direction, right? So we'll go stop maybe there, just like right underneath, just the corner, the eye there, because that's where you change direction. And you go up the side of the face, change your direction up towards like his ear. Going that way. Sorry, now I've got a cough. So then just on this side, right, so we can see the ear coming out from here. Like so. And then his sideburn sort of goes that way. And then like his hairline comes up around like that. Down towards the middle. Kind of comes around, disappears underneath his fringe, which is like just like a long spike, right? And it covers his other ear, so it goes like up, over and down, like real long. You could go as long as you want now. I've seen them like crazy long. Some textures underneath the hair there. So we can see like a little bit of this ear, so line it up, and then it goes up underneath it there. And then we can add some textures inside. Letter J is the easiest way to start. But then you can add a few more if you want. So I'm going to do the rest of the hair all at once. We'll just get sort of his body in first, because it's like kind of crazy big hair. There is some maybe that come over his shoulders, but we'll get do like his neck. Comes down real wide, like from here, like from his ear even, down like so, goes that way. And then we have neck muscles going down towards the middle of his chest. Right? These muscles always join sort of the middle of your chest, right? So the middle line is like there. And then the top of the chest muscle comes across this way. And the other side, across there. There might be like another neck muscle just here, and an Adam's apple that way. So the bottom of his chest muscle just goes like up there. Then there's a nipple that side, chest muscle here. It's kind of different on this side. Right, so then there is a hair spike that comes over the shoulders, so I'll do that. Like there, and then like a one here as well. You should probably see some trapezius there, maybe like another start of a shoulder, like so. Like muscle fibers on the chest. These kind of join the shoulder muscles. So like real big shoulder, right? So like round coming down here. And then like deltoid. And then like his ribs or side body just that way. And then the trapezius has a strap, right? But, or not the tricep. Right, but we'll just do the shoulder on this side. Kind of sticks out a bit more on this side for some reason. Right, and then you got like shoulders there. So the shoulders and the chest kind of look like one piece sort of thing. And then the bicep comes out that way. And then tricep down there. And then he has like a strap or something coming across here, so. And that's like the armpit and the ribs and stuff. And then the strap over here, so there's like another strap coming down this way. So it's like abs here, and like some ribs there. Right, so that's more or less the musculature. So then the hair coming out from behind all that, right? So this is like one Dragon Ball hair spike, and there's like layers and layers. You just gotta fill it up, okay? So like one here. trying to fill it up now with all this hair as best I can. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. So then you just add like texture to all these. So you just follow each shape and these sort of hairlines. 2 or 3 on each one should be enough, but you just want to fill up everything, following the direction of the hair spike each one. Right, I think that'll do. Super Saiyan 100, and it's yellow hair as far as I know, not the silver type. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.